Yesterday, we worked with manipulatives to solve multiplication and division word problems. Today, we're going to continue with some word problems, but today, instead of manipulatives, we're going to represent them with models. So our first problem says there are 4 boxes with 7 pencils in each box. How many pencils are there in all? I know this is going to be a multiplication. I know I have 4 boxes or 4 groups of 7. So I'm going to write my equation of 4 times 7 equals, and that's what we're solving for. So I have 4 boxes, so I'm going to draw 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now that I have my 4 boxes, I need to make sure that in each box I have 7 pencils. So for each pencil, I'm just going to draw a dot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I need to see how many are there in all. So I know that this is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So, in all, I have 28 pencils. Alright, we're going to solve one more word problem. It says if Laura and her 3 friends each have 13 hair clips, how many hair clips do they have all together? So again, I know that this is going to be a multiplication because it's Laura and her 3 friends and they each have 13. So that would be, I have Laura and her 3 friends. So that's going to actually be 4 people times 13. Now 13 is a lot of little dots to put into these boxes or into these circles. So I'm going to do something a little bit different. So I'm going to first draw a picture to represent Laura. And then I also need to represent her 3 friends. So this would be friend 1. This would be friend 2. And this would be friend 3. So in each of those, I know that each friend has 13 hair clips. So I'm going to think back and I'm going to use represent base 10 blocks. So Laura has 10, and then 1, 2, 3, 10, 1, 2, 3 for 13. I'm going to do that for all of them. 10 and 1, 2, 3. So now I need to figure out how many they have all together. So I'm going to count up my 10s first. I have 10, 20, 30, 40. So I have 4 10s. And that equals 40. And now I need to count up my 1s. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 1s equals 12. And then if I combine those and add them together, it would be 52. So altogether, Laura and her 3 friends have 52 hair clips.